Hey, what's up? Peace to the universe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a single leg hip extension, and Tiffany's going to demonstrate it for us. However, you're going to see she's going to have a bit of a challenge because it's a lot harder than you may think. It may look easy, but it's a lot harder than you may think. You're going to have one foot on a elevated platform and one foot up. And with the one that you have on the platform, you're going to use that foot to raise your butt off the floor. Make sure when you do it that you try to, as much as possible, to keep your butt off the floor. As you can see, she's doing that right now, but she had to break it up a little bit just because it's so challenging. But you definitely want to contract your hamstrings and butt in order to complete the exercise. With this exercise, you kind of want to gauge how much you can do. You might want to start off with just 3 sets of 10 or 12. And do that. If it's easy, then maybe bump it up to 3 sets of 15 or 3 sets of 20.